Hello, and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob. Hey everybody, it's Resto-Rob here. We are going to go over a tool haul. I've collected a bunch of tools and from various places over the last few weeks. So I'm going to show you guys what I found. So sit back, relax, and check out these items. Okay, we got this pile of junk. Let's go through it. This is my tool haul from like 2 weeks.
2 weeks? 2 weeks? You sound like a parakeet there. 2 weeks? 2 weeks?
Well, 2 weeks. It's amazing.
Not very many different places. But let's go through it. First of all, we got the set of Hinsdale. So we've got the 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 25/32, 7/8, and 15/16. You'll see it's number 5. This one, number 4. And this one is a number 3. We got this. It's NO32. Don't know if you can see too well, but it is a 3-diamond pair of duckbill. The jaw is less than desirable, but now we'll clean these up and see how they look. One McCaig and Hatch, 5/8 by 3/4. Snap-on. It's 02024, 5/8 by 3/4. Okay, right here. These are Hinsdale. We got 11/16 and 19/32. And then this one is a 3/4 by 9/16. The truth will set you free. So I got a truth. Well, it says Ruth, but you can barely see the first T. 3/4 by 11/16. The Velchek 3/4. Yeah. So here we've got these Black Hawk 1/2 inch by 9/16, and that's 9/16. They're both 15 6 13. This one has a 7 and this one has an 8. So I'm not too familiar with how Black Hawk marks their stuff. Got this really nice single line V, Craftsman 3/8 by 7/16. Here we've got this Barkalow Buffalo 9/16 by 1/2 inch. And it's got a number 3 on it. I don't know if you can see it too well. But here's a bigger Black Hawk. Here's a Barkalow Buffalo 1 inch by 15/16. It's got marked 8. This one is 7/8 by 13/16, and it's marked with a 7. Here we've got the 3/4 by 11/16, number 5. Or I'm sorry, number 6. Here we've got the 3/4 by 5/8, marked number 5. So I've got this 9/16 by 1/2, which is a 3, so I'm missing a 4. And then this tiny one, which is a 7/16 by 3/8. But I'm not seeing a number on here. So I don't even know if this is part of the series. But it's a Barkalow. This is Barkalow USA. And these are Barkalow Buffalo USA. So it's a neat little start. Might make a good video for a cleanup once I get them all. Get a bigger set. So next we got this tiny Peens core, which is a 5/16 by 1/4 inch. It's 5410. Got these 4 auto style wrenches, auto kit wrenches. So the top 3 are Ward's 7/8 by 3/4, 3/4 by 5/8. Then we've got the 9/16 by 1/2. And then we've got this auto kit. I call it the Batman because it's got this little design. And that's what? I want to say 7/8, but that might not be 7/8. Well, yeah, 7/8 by 3/4. Got this nice little Eagle tester. And then for sockets, here's a Powercraft 7/8, a Powercraft 7/16. We've got an SK 10 mil. This is Industro 5/8. Black Hawk USA 13 mil. A Fleet from 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter. A Fleet 2-inch extension. Trying to make a dang. It's a Wizard. I know somebody that likes Wizard. I'm sure most of you guys know who that is that likes the Wizard. Hopefully you enjoyed that tool haul. Found some cool, interesting things. Um, the McCaig and Hatch were pretty cool. So, what was your favorite of that little haul? So, until next time, stay safe, and we will check you later.